relocating to Spain? There are many things to consider in this step as you want to ensure you choose the right bank for you. Opening a bank account is essential for convenient bill payments, transactions, and access to banking services. These are the benefits of opening a bank account in Spain. Manage your finances easily. 2. Build a solid financial record. And 3. Save on currency conversion fees. These are the steps to choosing the right bank. 1. Research banks and what services they offer. 2. Consider the language support and branch requirements. Some popular and recommended options are Banco Santander, BBVA, and CaixaBank. In order to choose the right account, you must be aware of the different options for non-residents. A non-resident account allows people living abroad to have an account in Spain. There are 4 main types of bank accounts available. Cuenta bancaria o cuenta corriente are for day-to-day transactions. Cuenta de ahorros is a savings account. Cuenta de deposito accounts are for secure deposits. Cuenta nómina accounts are specifically designed to receive paychecks. When you visit the bank, make sure to bring a valid identification document, proof of address, proof of income or employment, and a residence permit. After submitting your application, it may take a while to find out if you are approved. Just be patient. If you plan to stay in Spain, having a local bank account will provide you with a solid foundation for managing your finances.